I think the hummingbird is about ready to try to take flight. Oh, just about snuck on her knee. There's the bird. Underneath the partition. What you doing with her, Molly?